Details how someone's trying to copy the YouTube giant Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast, known for his elaborate stunts, his larger-than-life projects, all put to video, which garners hundreds of millions of views each one.
360 million subscribers and a loyal fan base.
First off, there's this intense focus on mastering content. The idea is to just crank out content super fast, get feedback, and figure out statistically what works.
What is the main thing that is driving depression, anxiety, ADHD, bipolar? What is the main root cause of those things?
At the end of the day, it is metabolic dysfunction. Your metabolism is off. You are likely going to have signs or symptoms of a problem somewhere in your brain or body.
Really?
And that could be high blood pressure, high blood glucose in the form of prediabetes or diabetes. It could be obesity. It could be depression or anxiety.
Put them into ketosis, have them do those tests again. They can tie their shoes. They can draw the face.
That quickly.
It's still a little, well, within hours.
You know, that's where your body burns fat ketones instead of sugar for energy. A lot of mental health issues might actually be metabolic problems. Well, it's not exactly new. Keto's been used for like 100 years to treat really tough epilepsy cases. This diet helps stabilize brain function, that swapping your brain's fuel from glucose to fat could be a whole new way to tackle mental health, moving beyond just managing chemicals to fixing the underlying metabolism.
It really is hard to believe the ketogenic diet. It's just hard to believe. The experience is so much different and it's so novel. It's awe-inspiring. And you come back and you're like, wow, what life was I living? I was years and years and years eating junk food and I never got to experience this. It's like very surprising because I want to stay alive and enjoy all these precious moments that I have to live. And it wasn't working at the beginning. My keto diet wasn't helping me get into ketosis because I was eating 3 eggs and 1 avocado for breakfast, which now that I say it, it's like, why would I have ever done this? But it was just for the sake of convenience. Like, I don't have to buy an extra meal. I don't have to heat up anything in the morning. So it's just more convenient. So that ended up being the problem. Once I started eating breakfast, like if it was lunch or dinner, I finally was able to fix my problem with ketosis. And it happened 3 days ago. So we're very much in the beginning of this. I feel like Raul in 6th grade or 5th grade when I'm going to the library at my middle school and I'm finding all the books that I want to read and I'm just in the library for a long time reading like 40 pages a day, and I start reading the Harry Potter series and I finish it by 5th grade, and I read the How to Train Your Dragon series. I finish it as well. I go to the Guinness Book of World Records. I go on the computers. I look for YouTube. I look for Steam Power to look for video games. And this culture, this boiling pot of ideas that stirred around there was what made me me. There's so much to human experience. There's so many layers.